right now what we're going to do is we are going to open up Blaire's presents. What I got for Blaire is pretty exciting. So yeah, I exactly got Blaire some exciting stuff I think she'll like probably, or basically what she asked for. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, Blaire, come here. Okay. Okay. These are all your presents. Hopefully you don't miss out any. So yeah, we're gonna get for this is all I got for Blaire. It was Joss exactly who went to fashion stores and bought it. So yeah, we could open up I guess the shopping bags first. So yeah, let's open this one. Ooh, a hair clip. It is like a flower one. I got some miniature nail polish. Wait, Joss, I think I got Blaire stuff. I'm not sure. Maybe she'll like it. Okay. And then I got a eyeshadow palette. And then I also got... So the eyeshadow palette is like named as actually what the brand is called. I recreated it. So yeah. Oh, I also got this yellow scrunchie. This, these little hair ties. Pink and purple. And a necklace. Oh wait. And also sunglasses. Do like these kitty ones. So yeah. Okay. Now I'll put the second one. Okay, I got they're little cute little boots. I really like them. Okay, now with this one. Okay. Okay, here I got clothes. Okay, I got these pajamas. There's under stars pajamas. I also got these like dark purple leggings. I also got this pink shirt. Hopefully this stuff fit because last year the people like got me so much stuff, but then like I had to return some stuff because they didn't fit. Okay, now let me tell you something, Blaire. These two are like these two are usually like so these two are usually the clothes. I forgot about them, and then the rest is exciting stuff. Probably you'll like. Okay. Open this is okay. Which one? I don't know. Open any. Ooh, I got the same dress from last year. Do you think it'll fit? I don't think so. It never fits on me. But it's cute. It's like for summertime. And I got this other dress. And that was this one. Wow! I got this cute little shirt that's like the off like the shoulder ones, or is it like pinked? And then overalls. They're so cute. Okay. So exactly that is it. This is all I got. Clothes. Now let's open the other exciting ones. So yeah, let's see. Okay, let's open. I guess this one first. It's pretty small. What I got? Just to know, guys, these are actually electronics. What? These are actually electronics. Oh, really? Yeah. I decided to change it up a little bit. Okay. Be careful with that. Okay. Wow, it's an Apple Watch. Oh, I mean, it's a mirror watch. Yeah. Okay. So what that I also got? Open this one. No, sorry. This one. Oh, this is like you know, like straps for like the Apple Watch. You know, if I want to change, you know, the color stuff. Yeah. You have to remove it. Now open this one, so you can be excited about. Okay, I'm really nervous about this one, but what does it have inside? That's the question I'm asking. You'll see. Wait a second, what is this? Wait. Wow, it's a phone. So this is one of these, like, phones. So yeah. Okay, now check what's in this one. Okay. Whoa, it's a phone case. So cool. Okay, guys. So this is all I got. For my birthday, this is like the latest all phones. I mean, not the realest, like latest, you know. But it's late, you know. It's like one of the latest, you know. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.